Welcome to this Packt Publishing video course titled Hands-on DevOps with Ansible. My name is Alan Hohn. I'm the instructor for this video course. I have over 20 years of experience in software engineering, including time as a developer, an architect, a lead, and as a software manager. Currently, I am a Lockheed Martin Fellow, which means that I'm responsible for helping to guide some of the technical innovation that happens within Lockheed Martin. I am also the author of another Packt Publishing video course titled Hands-on Infrastructure Automation with Ansible. I invite you to check out that course as well. Beyond that, I have a wide variety of experience teaching technical topics, including Java, Java Enterprise, OSGI, and the Spring Framework. I also have experience helping teams to apply Agile principles, and more recently, I've taught courses in DevOps and in cloud environments. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my family and hiking. I live in the state of Virginia in the United States, which is a beautiful place for that. I also, as I have opportunity, like to contribute to open source projects, and I maintain a blog. I invite you to visit. It has a contact form where you can reach me with questions about this course. This course, titled Hands-on DevOps with Ansible, includes everything you need to build your own DevOps pipeline to automatically build, test, and deploy software. And of course, to do that, we use Ansible, a deployment automation tool. This course has 5 sections. Section 1, DevOps Pipeline with Ansible. We'll walk through the entire DevOps pipeline. We'll show you how to install and configure your own DevOps environment, including a continuous integration server, including configuring Ansible, and we'll show taking an application through that pipeline automatically. In Section 2, Packaging Applications for Rapid Deployment, we will build machine images automatically that are designed to run in Amazon Web Services, and we'll use Ansible to deploy our application to Amazon Web Services and keep it up to date. In Section 3, Automated Integration Testing with Ansible, we'll look at using dynamic virtual machines to test our application in a realistic environment. We will use Ansible to configure those virtual machines and also to drive the testing in that environment. In Section 4, Building and Running Docker Containers with Ansible, we'll look at a containerized version of our application. We'll show how to use Ansible to build Docker images and then deploy those Docker images into a containerized environment that will run our application. We'll also look at using Docker to support integration tests of our containerized application. And finally, in Section 5, Automating Kubernetes Deployments with Ansible, we'll look at Kubernetes, a container orchestration environment. We'll build our containerized application, deploy it to Kubernetes using Ansible, and then, again using Ansible, we'll maintain that application, keeping it up to date whenever the application changes, doing rolling updates with 0 downtime. There's only a few things that you need in order to follow along with this course. You'll need some kind of text editor. I use Atom in this course. You'll also need the ability to install Ansible, which will mean installing Python. And then finally, because we are working with a virtualized and containerized version of an application, you'll need access to some Linux servers. Those can be either physical, they can be virtualized using a hypervisor such as VirtualBox, or they can be servers in a cloud environment such as Amazon Web Services. All in all, you'll have the opportunity to take your own software through a complete DevOps pipeline that you can build using Ansible to help you automate the building, testing, and deployment process for your application. I'm looking forward to showing all of that to you, so let's get started.